inside the ant world. Nature's tiny superpower. Welcome to Nature's Guardians, a mini-series where we explore the amazing animals who protect our planet. They may be small, but they're mighty, powerful, and sometimes even scary. So get ready to discover some incredible insects and find out why we need them to keep our world in balance. In this first episode, we are diving deep into the secret life of ants. Have you ever looked closely at an ant? These tiny creatures are absolute marvels of nature. Did you know that there are over 12,000 species of ants worldwide, each with unique characteristics and behaviors? From the smallest ant, which is only about 1 millimeter long, to the giant forest ant, which can grow up to 3 centimeters. Ants come in all shapes and sizes. But what truly makes ants fascinating is their incredible teamwork. They live together in colonies that can have millions of members. Each ant has a specific role to play, working tirelessly for the good of the colony. The queen is responsible for laying eggs and keeping the colony thriving. The workers, which are all female, go out in search of food and take care of the young. And the males, well, their main job is to mate with the queen. But wait, there's more. Ants are also fearless warriors, always ready to defend their colony. When threatened, they release chemicals that serve as an alarm, calling for backup. And when the time comes, they attack head-on, biting and stinging their enemies until they retreat. Now, let's uncover some mind-blowing facts about ants that will leave you in awe. They are super strong. Despite their tiny size, ants are incredibly strong. The common black ant, for example, can lift objects that are 50 times heavier than them. That's like a human lifting a full-grown elephant. How do they do it? Well, their exoskeleton provides support, and their muscles are designed to generate tremendous force. They are expert engineers. Have you ever wondered how ants build their nests? They don't use blueprints or tools, yet the result is nothing short of amazing. Ants create tunnels, chambers, and rooms with such precision that scientists have studied their nests to understand how they are made. The leafcutter ant is a master builder. Its massive colonies can have up to 8 interconnected chambers, housing thousands of workers, soldiers, and even farmers. They wage wars. Yes, ants can wage wars, and it's not just a saying. When 2 ant colonies clash, it can be brutal. The battles can last for hours, and the ants fight to the death. But it's not all about aggression. Some ants have developed farming communities. The leafcutter ants, for instance, grow their own food by cultivating a special fungus. They cut leaves from plants and bring them back to their nest to feed their fungus farms. It's like having your own personal chef who cooks your favorite meal every day. They are excellent communicators. Ants communicate with each other through chemical signals, touch, and sound. They leave behind pheromone trails to guide their nestmates to food sources. And when they return home, they use the same technique to lead other ants back to the nest. Talk about a helpful community. They are survivors. Ants can survive in almost any habitat on Earth, from deserts to rainforests. They have adapted to extreme temperatures, droughts, and even radioactive areas. Some ants, like the army ant, travel in large groups, forming huge raiding parties to search for food. Their strength in numbers allows them to take on prey much larger than themselves. They have a talent for finding food. Ants are like little detectives with a keen sense of smell. They can track down food sources from miles away and bring back the goods to their colony. No crumbs are safe from these tiny super sniffers. So the next time you see an ant, remember that it's not just a tiny insect crawling on the ground. It's a superpowered creature with incredible abilities and a complex life. Ants are truly nature's tiny superpower. They may be small, but they are mighty, powerful, and sometimes even scary. They work together in amazing ways to protect their colonies, and their strength is truly inspiring. So let us give a big shout out to all the ants out there and all the insects who protect our planet. Until next time, keep exploring the great outdoors and discovering the amazing insects that live there. Who knows, you might just find a tiny superpower right under your nose.